can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side.
Therefore, preparing your mind for action, be sober-minded, so you hope fully on the grace that will be brought to you at the revelation of Jesus Christ. As obedient children, do not be conformed to the passions of your former ignorance, but as he who called you is holy, also be holy in all your conduct. Since it is written, you shall be holy, for I am holy. And if you call on him, the Father who judges impartially according to each one's deed, conduct yourselves with fear throughout the time of your exile. The truth, for sincerely brotherly love, love one another earnestly from a pure heart, since you have been born again, and not perishable seed. The grass withers, the flowers fall, but the word of the Lord remains forever. 1 Peter 1 verse. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So we are getting ready for Valentine. My Galentines party is today, February 8th. I need to do a lot of things. It is now 7 a.m. I got up pretty early, can't lie. I've actually been up since 6. I had to go do some of the ice cubes, which you guys will see in a little bit. But yeah, we've got quite a bit of things to do before everyone else gets here that is going to be helping me set up. So I'm gonna start the prepping. I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I got right here, right now, really quickly. All right, most of these things are from TJ Maxx and Shein and Burlington and Hobby Lobby. That's pretty much it. So, cute little cups, TJ Maxx. Cute little plates, TJ Maxx. So cute. They're acrylic. This was $8. This is going to be where I'm serving a lot of the foods. This tray, TJ Maxx. Obviously, you guys can tell the theme. Pink girly bows. And then these little bowls. But yeah, TJ Maxx, $8. Super cute. All of our Shein things. These little picks for the fruit, these little napkins, little plates, these cups from the Dollar Tree, water cups, these little spoons, utensils from TJ Maxx, straws from Hobby Lobby, little signs to name the foods from Hobby Lobby, no, from Shein. These little heart cat bowls, so sticking cute. These are from Hobby Lobby. I love these so much. They're like nice, pretty plastic acrylic, soft colors. Love them. Candlesticks. These ones are from Hobby Lobby. This one particular one is from Shein. I like the Hobby ones better. They're thicker, but these are those. Candles that I'm using are lavender and light pink. They will be sitting in them just like this. I don't think I'm gonna light them, and if I do, we'll see. I don't know. Some purple and white rose petals from Hobby Lobby. Some kitchen towels with strawberries from Burlington. This was a gift from Cece. Thank you so much. I'm about to use it today. Valentine's plates from Hobby Lobby. Balloons from Hubby. A tablescape runner from Shein. Pink champagne glasses from Shein. Some pre-made bows from Shein, red and pink. Some more pink napkins from Shein. All of these are balloons and garlands from Shein. You guys will see me open that in just a second. And then here's a 3-tiered little dessert stand from Shein as well. So that's pretty much all the decor. Let's go ahead and get started with washing the things that need to be washed so they can be dried up.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk